Okay, there you go. Okay, here we go. We a couple of glitches here, way late. But I say a break of 15 might make this thing happy. We're also looking at GMVD. We also have a couple other CYRN is kind of cooked here. GMVD. Not as tasty, but it's close. We're shooting for a break of 15 here. Got to be patient. See how it goes. This train is working. Current viewers 0. Current viewers 0. We've been live for 2 minutes. 2 whole minutes. Here comes the trade. So let's get it ready, I guess. Oops. Stop. I want to go at 15 flat. We're going to use, what is it? No, 75 units. 70 units. There you go. $1,000. Set for the break of 15. I almost think 1480 might be a better spot. So let's actually just. Oh, what's this all about? Why is this way over here? 14.8. Modify that a little. 14.8. Why is that over there? There's no way to pause it. Left. How does that happen? Fuck's sakes, right? So there's your entry. There's your monies. Let's see if it actually blows through this. Blowing high dough. Okay, so now we need to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. INDP. Looking for a target. Jumping. We're right on top of the target. So we should have looked at that before we got all excited here. Next target's at 22. None of this is going to work. This trade's not going to work. It's done. Best case scenario is maybe 19, 20, 17, 17, 32, 17. Should have checked that first. So we're going to flat top here. We're going to want to take some of this off here, $38 profit. But you got to look at it in this sense. That's 3.5%, right? That's why we do it like that. Makes life a lot easier. So now we're at 4.9%, 4.4%, right? Like we're just trying to make life a lot easier here. Let's look at our playbacks. Warning: the stream's current bit rate is lower than recommended. Okay. Should we take it off? I've been told to maintain your original stop, right? So our original stop would be down here somewhere. So we're going to turn this thing into a loser here. If we don't get a good push, look at that. Good push, 6%. 8%. What are you looking for here? What are we looking for here? I think we should almost feel like we should take a stop here at 1558. Let's call it 1550. Oops, wrong button. Nobody's viewing the live stream. Let me fix that. Bagadaga? A little bit behind. Well, that's fine. But here we go. That's 10%. A little bit behind. Well, that's fine. But here we go. That's 10%. Here we go. That's 10%. 12%. 12%. Okay, folks. We're going into a halt here, so I think we should. This is a tender spot. When you roll into a halt, you'll be okay on the first one on the way up. So, but we're gonna have to wait 10 minutes here till this straightens itself out. That puts us at 10. Let's see exactly. 10:09 and a half. 10:09 30 seconds. So I'll let this thing. I guess we're gonna let it run because that's what the stream does. I don't know what we do. Do we pause the stream? No, we don't pause the stream. Stop streaming. Yeah, there's no pausing of the stream. So we have to wait through the halt. I'll see you in 10 minutes, guys. What do you want me to do? Sing you a song, or is there any chat or something here that I'm missing? Top chat, say something. Do you want me to sing? Oopsie, something. Sing to you. Question. Posted. Do you want me to sing to you? Because I like to sing to you. So anyway, we're going to be back at 10:09 in 30 seconds. Create a poll. Ask a question. Do you like HALTS, Scott? So, no, whatever. So nobody's watching, and we will see. Do I counted stocks? Sometimes I do. I gotta go and check on something. Halt, unhalt. What's going on here? 10, 11. Oh, okay, so halt, chop, 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 and then more halt, sideways, at the same price. Huh, well, this is actually interesting to keep this on tape because that halt, not halt. No, that's not right either. Look at that halt, doesn't. Where's the original halt? Should have been at 1010. There it is there. 1004. So it actually ran down a bit. Ran down for a couple of seconds. Actually ran down for a bit. Here's the first halt. Sorry, guys. It's a little bit lost there for a second. So it actually came down and then back up to halt above the number again, which is odd. So where's the halt? Right here. Okay, I see it. And then we went up as high as that and back. Wow. All within, all in 1 second. So, interesting. 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 So now you have to wait until, what's that, 21.25? 21.25. We're up 23%. So, money be money. Money be money. We could take it off here at any point, I guess, and average watch time 30 seconds. I don't know if this is any good or not, live stream. I don't know. I don't really want to show you anything else. Really, I guess if nobody's watching, what's the difference, right? Okay, well, there's what can happen to the halt. So what do we do now? We would close the position, man. 28% up. I think we should close because of this drop, right? It's going to want to go more down, I believe. We got 25%. I'm going to close this position right here at so borderline here. See how this thing is rolling a bit? If this can give me a little bit of an indication coming back up, we're going to hold. If we keep rolling down, we're done. I think we should potentially, we're right on the edge here, right? We're just losing 5% at a time. Oh, see if we can get that action coming back. 28% up on a $1,000 position, 70 units at basically $15 again, right? So, well, with the again part, but I think we should close into strength right here, almost. I could be dead wrong. But is that what people want to see? Take profits? So I should have put 7,000 units on there? There's 32% on 7,000 units. Well, you can just imagine. It's all, in my mind, it's all decimal points, right? So really, this could be a $3,000 position, a $30,000 position. You see how none of it matters except for making the entry at the right place at the right time and catching the move. So, yeah, if you want to be a self-sufficient trader, don't follow people's picks. Got to understand how this thing works, right? So we've got a bit of an up ride here. I'm going to suggest if we break the 19, we're done. So I'm actually going to actually set a stop in here at 19. 19 flat. There we go. Stops in place. You know, take the money and run kind of deal. You can't go broke by taking 30% profits here, even on a $1,000 position. So this is a damn fine position if you were to actually look at it correctly with the right eyes. Boom, stopped out with the old hammer fist, the old 3%, 2.5% hammer fist. I guess I'll let this run. Seeing as nobody's fucking watching anyway. But there's a trade. There's a trade, and that's how easy it can be. How did we get this trade? Well, it's got some news, I think. Or patent. It's just a patent. So some sort of medical patent. But there you go, folks. There's your. We could be dead wrong here. This thing could keep going. Maybe the patent is a lot better than I think. I don't know. I don't give a shit. We're up 30%. We got in at 14.79. We closed at 19 flat. Yeah, we could be dead wrong. If this thing goes above, you could also trade it again. If we get above 1960s again, yeah, we could be dead wrong. This could come back out of this halt hole, but it's probably a halt hole for a reason. I don't know, we got angry participants. They're really wanting to excite it. Oh, look at that go. There's another $1. What's that in percentage terms? Oh my goodness. 19. Oh my goodness, that's 10 more percent. Jeez Louise. That would have been a 40% move for us there, folks. But better to be safe than sorry. You could have watched this thing turn around from what were we at, like 30%, 28%. But it could easily have come back down into the 17s, right? So, especially chopping around like this. It's a nice indication here, this volume perk. Selling into strength would have been right in there somewhere. That would have been a fucking deal. But stream is on. I don't know. There you go. Live stream. In real time. Watching stocks get halted. Setting them up while I knock them down. So, what do we just watch this thing go? And we could put music on, I guess, in the background or something. How do I do that? Well, I could do. Are they going to let me do that? I don't know what I've been told. Oh, no. Oh, we want. What in the heck?
Hey Aurelia, the real estate market is changing.
Okay, so. Dang it. We almost started there, didn't we?
Don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing. Don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing.
Okay, with that, sometimes you think, oh, you made a big mistake here, and you missed out on basically $2 more worth of move, which, yeah, it's quite a bit of move. We got out at 19 flat. We missed out on another 10%, 13%. But I mean, once it hammer drop back, you're not getting out of this, right? Like even if you say you have your stop up here, I don't know if anybody's noticed this, but if you have your stop, say at 21.44, you're actually not going to get filled because a stop is a market order. You will not get filled potentially until 2064, right? Like, so you're going to take that slippage, and if not bang into this candle because it's like they just skip over you because you're a small fish, and potentially you're going to actually get this 1945. So let's just pretend you got that stopped out. Even though you have a stop doesn't mean that you're going to get the price that you actually want, the stop out price. Now, I guess you could set up what the heck would that be? A sell limit order or whatever, right? But again, it's not going to fill the way you think it's going to fill because, to be honest with you, the market makers don't give a fuck about you. They'd rather grind you out for a couple more pennies here. But look at this. Now we're back down to 17. So should I end the stream here? I don't know. I guess maybe. That's all documented though, folks. Here's the entry. 14.79. Here's the exit. $19 flat. So did we leave some on the table? Yeah, a little bit. But I mean, at what point did you know it was going to go up here instead of down? Could have just did this exact same move right here, right? And instead of it going up, see this? Oh, it's going to go up again. Yeah. No, it's not, right? Yeah, so better to be safe than sorry. Better to be safe than sorry. Better to exit or enter on tight candles. On small ranging candles, right? We got 14.79, so let's take a look at that. So kind of halfway through that candle. So there's our entry there, right? Well, we did have a break there, right? So, live stream for all you that asked. Oh, shit. None of that was being recorded. Oh, that's awesome. So I guess I was saying, did we make a mistake? How did you know that it wasn't going to just roll off like this? Say, like, see how it goes down, over, up, down, over, down. So it's better to be safe than sorry here, folks. Take your profits. Entry 14.79, exit 19, 20 some odd percent move. You saw it here, folks, and you saw it live as you requested. I'm not sure if we should shut her down now or what. What do you do when nobody's watching? Da-da-da-da-da. Well, there you go. There's your live stream. I guess we can stop. We're going to end the stream. End the stream with the one of these ones. Stop streaming. Okay. Like, subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications so you can get these things on your desk as soon as they happen. And as always, high fives for everyone. Good job today, folks.